In today's video, I have another Amazon product review I'm going to go over. I was looking for a trunk organizer and I came across this company. They had a trunk organizer, but they also had a trash can. So we'll talk about the trash can. So they make their own bags for their trash can. This is the 2-gallon size trash can, kind of built like a small soft-sided cooler. This is the 2-gallon size. It has little magnetic snaps in here that can snap down on any trash bag or any type of bag you want to put in it. Just so you can like contain all your stuff. And it has like little expanders on the sides to help keep it open, and then it has a lid with you can pass stuff through it and it kind of closes up, and it's kind of nice. I needed a trash can for this van for this space, so I'm like, why not? And the price is really good. So I have this space open between the mattress and the front counter, and this fits perfectly. It was the perfect size. I could actually go bigger, so I think I'm going to try the 3-gallon size too, just to see how that works. But this 2-gallon one fits pretty well. You don't have to use this in a van. It could go in any vehicle. It also has snaps, so it can like snap onto a headrest, and it can just hang behind the headrest. So overall, this wasn't the goal. I wasn't really looking for a trash can, but I kind of needed one. This is kind of nice. It has little pockets on it for hold extra bags and stuff like that. So let's get back to what I was really looking for, and that's the trunk organizer. And here it is. So I was looking for a trunk organizer. I had the back of the van redone, so I have this space now that's kind of like a trunk, but looking at it, you can tell it's not very organized. So I needed something to contain the stuff, and I kind of was looking for specific dimensions, and I came across this like when I was looking for it. So this is the tactical version. It's the double extra large size. Here's the dimensions for it. It has this pocket in the front with a little patch. It has kind of like a molly panel hook, like loops on that. And then it also has one side of it has pockets along the whole length of it. Just some mesh pockets. Opening it up, you can see how long this one gets. This is the double extra large. They come in multiple sizes, multiple styles. So you can just, if you're looking for one of these, they have a ton to choose from. Now I'm moving all this stuff out of the way so we can put it in place. This is what I was kind of going for. So I wanted to have just a little bit of space on each side. I didn't want it touching the electrical connections, and I wanted just a little bit of space. So lengthwise it was perfect. It doesn't stick out from the van, and it's not forced back into the batteries. So I can still have airflow back there. It has these little floor panels that go into the bottom to kind of add some structure, but you can lift them out or lift them up if you wanted to be able to collapse it. So you can make it smaller if you needed to, or if you're not using it to its full ability. So overall, this is looking pretty good. Putting some stuff in it just to see it can hold, like it's going to hold everything that I need it to hold anyway. It's strong. You can carry it in its fully expanded way, just as long as you're strong enough to lift it, I guess. But I don't think it seems pretty well built, so it seems pretty capable of that. And then let's say you didn't want to use all of the pockets and you just wanted to use one and you wanted to carry it somewhere. You can collapse each pocket individually just by lifting up the floor panels so they can collapse on each other. You can collapse it down to a 2-pocket design. Then they'll got little Velcro tabs. And then you can further collapse this down into a single pocket. So this is exactly what I was looking for. The price is very good, which is kind of why I went with it, and the trash can too. And the build quality seems pretty great. So you can see I get this all the way down to just a 1 pocket, and then you can just carry it as 1 pocket. So I recommend this product. It's pretty nice. That's it for this video. Like and subscribe for more content, and thanks for watching.